Hey guys, normally we do a lot of hand tools and stuff, but there are times you'll need one of these. It's a chainsaw. They do come in handy in making things a lot easier. As you can see, make it a little bit easier, a little bit quicker for us. We're going to go through a little bit of the safety. One of the things you do want is a pair of jeans, good boots, gloves, and of course one thing I am missing is eye protection, but if you do it safe enough, it's one of those things, but it is preferred even for absolute professionals. Everybody has to wear them. In fact, I actually might go and get mine just so that way I know I'm going to be safe from getting anything in my eyes like sawdust or anything like that. You never know when something will fly up and possibly whack you. As you can see, I do not have this running, only because of the simple fact that it does get loud, and if I do have it running, you wouldn't be able to hear me as well. You'd hear the chainsaw over me. So you will see me using this a little bit throughout. As long as it's well needed. As you can see right here, we do have a lot of wood and it's very thick. Some of the stuff we'll actually be able to snap off. Some we can use a handsaw or an axe or a hatchet even. But stuff like this right here, the chainsaw is called for, unfortunately. But since it's low, so small, it really doesn't matter how much we usually do it anyway. One of the major things is the chain, hence chainsaw. As you can see, there's many teeth along it, and it goes around back into the machine. One of the major things is, one, make sure the chain is actually tight, so that not too tight where it doesn't work well, but not loose where it falls off all the time or you damage it even more. Number two is actually make sure the teeth are sharp. You can go through and file each one. It is time consuming, but then again, they're small. It's not like everything else where it's like done. And since it is a machine, there are a few other things you have to worry about, like it breaking down, not starting right, gas, oil, basically all the different factors that help make this thing run. And not only that, but actually knowing how to actually use one. Very few people actually do, but it's very simple to teach. Basically, it's all in how you show and how you use it and stuff like that, and especially how safe you use it too. Other than that, that's pretty much it for showing you what we're using. We'll actually start using it pretty soon, so hopefully we'll be able to get to that pretty soon and show you guys how to run one. Just got done chopping up some of that wood. Really got to carry some of it back. Little pieces. was fun. Unfortunately, we got more wood to go, though. What do you expect?
Oh, that's too easy.
Handle like Rocky Balboa.
Rocky 4. He's out in fucking the F word. Out in snowy woods doing stuff like this. You know what?
Yeah, rock on! Hey guys, meet Derek. Well, gonna move the last piece of wood, and as you can see, it's a little bit bigger than me, height-wise. So I'm probably going to go beast mode in moving it. I'll probably flip it end over end since I probably can't carry it, like some of the other stuff you've seen.
Do it.
So I'm gonna go beast mode and flip it.
Do it right now. Stand like way back here. Get a good shot. Gonna run into that tree. Oh, you gonna do it again? Except for it's digging in right there. I think that's enough for the video, don't you think?
I don't know, what do you say, one more flip?
Not here though, it's gonna...
Alright. Yeah.
We'll do it when you're over there.
Alright.
And...
Whew. Well, made it over the hump here. A little winded, but... Hey. I ain't gotta get too much farther with it, thank God.
Yeah. That's the rest of the tree.
Yep. All thanks to me, to these, and to my cameraman.
Me.
Woohoo!
Don't forget the axes and the hatchet and that one chainsaw.
Yeah, those were helpful, very helpful.
So, flip it.
Flip it good. Here's where I say, timber! Woo.
One more time, because this side's a lot easier. Because you can see right here, this is flat. This end is all
Yeah, this is where it digs.
digging in, so it digs in down at this end when it's spiked. And I'm not even looking right now.
Me, Hulk. Woo!
How do you do a corner? How do you take a corner with it?
Very easily.
Show me. Don't hit the fence.
You pick it up, and you push it that way. That was close. I almost couldn't do it. Woo! Back, please. Just kidding. Can't kill the nature boy.
I think that's it for this one.
Yep.
I'll help you out with the next one. Threw my shoulder out last time.
Yeah.
Left shoulder's out of socket, I'm pretty sure. That's okay, I'm a nature boy, I can deal with it.
I got a bad shoulder, back surgery, and I need that axe up. And I'm short. Ain't slowing me down any.
Aren't you gonna do an ending?
Right here. Here's the ending. Done.